So good morning students. So let me start, that is a new topic, integration. Let me know what we mean by the integration. Before knowing that, so let me recall that whatever the things we have studied in the differentiation. With the differentiation only we can define that what we mean by the integration. Actually the meaning of the integration is nothing but the joining, adding, combining. It's nothing but the ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಆಂಟಿ derivative is called as a integration, or we can say that is a inverse process of the derivative is nothing but the integration, and the integration is indicated like this. Suppose if you take that is a derivative, suppose derivative of any function you can take, that is a cos x. So what is the derivative of cos x? We know that it is a minus sin x, minus sin x. Derivative of cos x ಏನ್ರಿ minus sin x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. So we got already this, so we have to came back from this. So it means that integration reverse, that is integration, anti-derivative, this is called as anti-derivative of sin minus sin x is cos x, or we can say that is multiplying both sides by the minus sign, we get that anti-derivative or a reverse process. Idu derivative, idu reverse ಹೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, reverse process of derivative of sin x is called as a cos x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತೇವಿ ಆಂಟಿ, or ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತೇವಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಇದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ opposite of what minus sin x is cos x, or we can ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, integration of what sin x into dx with respect to x, so is equal to what cos x plus c is called as a integral constant. c ಏನಂತೇವಿ integral constant ಅಂತೇವಿ. ಈ sin x ಏನಂತೇವಿ integrand ಅಂತೇವಿ. ಈ x ಏನಂತೇವಿ variable of integration, variable of integration. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, integration of f of x into dx is equal to some function of x which we will take, that is f of x plus c. So it is called as a integration. We read this integration of f of x with respect to x is f of x plus c, where c is called as a integral constant, x is called as a variable of integration. So f of x is called as an integrand. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್. This totally which we call it as an indefinite integral. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೆ indefinite integral we call it. So let me recall that what we got the idea, what we mean by the integration. Integration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ anti derivative is called as the integration. Let's take about that, or we call it as the inverse process of the derivative is called as an integration. Inverse process of the derivative is called as an integration. Let's take that integration, integration is the inverse process of the derivative. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation, inverse process of differentiation, so which we call as the integration. And or ಇನ್ನೊಂದು way ದಾಗೂ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು, that is we can define the same integration in another words, anti derivative, the called the integration. Integration is called as the integration. Is called as the integration. Antiderivative is called as the integration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ integration. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? We write it as integration of f of x into dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. So here we read it as the integration of f of x with respect to x. Integration of function of x with respect to x. So we get that once again as a function of x plus c. It is an integral constant. If we have an indefinite integral, or if you differentiate that, we get this function only. So let me say that what we mean by the f of x, and constant, where f of x is called the integrand, is called as the integrand and where x is called the variable of integration. Variable of integration. Variable of integration. Variable of integration. And c is called the integral constant. Integral constant. Integral constant. C is called as the integral constant. So next we'll see some application of the integration. So where we are applying this? So that is the main important thing which we have to know, that the integration is applicable for finding the area between the curves, area so bounded by any curves, area bounded by the lines. So we are using this integration for finding the area. That is one application we have know, and we have on a particular chapter that we are going to study, that is the application of integration. There we clearly study. So but here, so integration of f of x dx will indicate like this. So means it is nothing but the derivative of this will get f of x. So which we call it as an integration. Integration of f of x with respect to x is a function of x plus c. So this is called as an integration. So let me see one by one. So next we come to, that is, if suppose the integral of f of x, integral of a function f of x into dx, we'll write it as a capital F of x plus c. Or it means what? The derivative of this is nothing but f of x. Derivative of this is nothing but f of x. That we will state in another reverse. That is antiderivative of f of x is this. That we call it as an integration. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Integration ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Suppose if we have that an integral of f is a, suppose if we have f the integral of a function function f, integral of a function f is a function function of f of x, capital F of x, capital F of x, such that so we will state such that ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ so f dash of this integral of f is a function that is f of x ಹೌದ್ರಿ such that ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ f dash of x is equal to small f of x. For best example we will take that is the derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x is what? That is the cos x. It means what? That is the integration of, it means that is antiderivative, which indicates that is the integration of cos x, integration of cos x with respect to x is what? This reverse ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಇದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದೇವ್ರಿ? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? cos x is sin x. That is indicated as an integration. This is the symbol we are using. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Or we can write that is the derivative of this is cos x, that is a function, and we indicate that is plus c. If we differentiate we are getting this, that is. So this is about the integration. Now we need the formulas, derivatives, and then we will write its integral formulas. So they are very important for us. So integral formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ, so we have completed already, that is the 20% of the solution we have given for this chapter. So ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ derivative of x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to what we have? So that is x raised to n. We know already the derivative of x raised to n plus 1. x raised to n plus 1 the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x raised to n divided by n plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? x raised to n into dx is equal to what we are getting? What we have here, no? That we are getting. So is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this completes the integral. So next we come to that is the second one. So idu aayta. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? derivative of log x, derivative of log x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x into dx is equal to ಏನ್ರಿ? log x. So that is log x plus c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ. ಆಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ f of x into dx is equal to f of x plus c ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? f dash of x is also equal to f of x. ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ that will get. So reverse ಬರೀರಿ. Next third derivative of a raised to x divided by log a is equal to a raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? 1 by log a ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಿಡ್ರಿ. derivative of a raised to x ಏನ್ರಿ? a raised to x log a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? a raised to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivative of a raised to x divided by log a ಅಂದ್ರೆ a raised ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎದರದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್? this c. So this one is next. So that is the fourth one. Derivative of e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to x the derivative e raised to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು integration of e raised to x into dx is equal to e raised to x plus c. So c ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು indefinite integral ಐತ್ರಿ for that reason 4. Then fifth one we'll get derivative of so that is so next we come to that is the fifth one derivative of minus 1 by n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 is equal to 1 by x raised to n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next, so we have to x raised to, we will get the n here, n minus 1. So then integration of what? 1 by x raised to n into dx is equal to, that is minus 1 by n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 plus c. Sixth one. So then derivative of so we'll take the trigonometric function derivative of sin x is equal to sin x the derivative ಏನ್ರಿ cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ integration of cos x into dx is equal to sin x plus c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ cos x the integral ಏನ್ರಿ sin x. Next we move to that is 6. So formulas already we given. Next we move to the 7th formula. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೈಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮಗ್ಲ ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಂಗ್ರಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋದು. So 7. 8th one derivative of what? So sin x agayte. Next minus cos x. Cos x the derivative is minus sin x. Minus into minus plus. So that is the sin x. Then integration of sin x into dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Then ninth one derivative of so next we come to that is a tan x. Derivative of tan x into second square x. Derivative of tan x is second square x. Then integration of second square x into dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is nothing but the tan x plus c. Next 10th one derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus cos x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ minus cot x. Derivative of minus cot x is cos x square x. Integration of cos x square x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos x square x into dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Next 11th one derivative of sec x. Derivative of sec x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x into tan x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ integration of sec x into tan x. Sec x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ sec x plus plus c. Next 11, 12, derivative of minus cosec x minus cosec. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ cosec x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನ್ರಿ minus cosec x into cot x. ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ cosec x into cot x into cot x. So that is integration of cosec x into cot x into dx is equal to, that is minus cosec x plus c plus c. Next 13th one, derivative of sec ಆಯ್ತು cosec ಆಯ್ತು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ರಿ. So next we see that is log sin x. Derivative of log sin x is, derivative of log sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cot x. So log ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಹೊರಗಿಂದ 1 by sin, sin ಇದು cos by sin, that is cot. So then integration of cot x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to log sin x plus c ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರೆ indefinite ಐತೆ. Next, so that is the 14th one, derivative of that is log sec x is equal to derivative of log sec x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, log sec x ದು tan x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, tan x. Then integration of tan x into dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log sec x plus c, log sec x plus c. So that will give the 14. 14 problem ಆದವ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾಳ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. So let me take all of them. So next we move to, that is the 18th. 18. Next, so derivative of ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ log sec ನೋಟ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ. Next we move to, that is the log sec x plus tan x is equal to derivative of log sec x plus tan x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is sec x. Then integration of sec x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x into dx is equal to log of, so that is sec x plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sec x plus tan x plus c. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದರದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅದರದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 19th one, so derivative of minus log sec x, sorry cosec x plus cot x is equal to, that is cosec x. Integration of cosec x into dx is equal to, that is minus log cosec x plus cot x plus c. So next 20, that is the derivative of so next we move to, that is the derivative 20 ಆದ್ರೆ. So log cosec sec x cot x. Next we come to that is the derivative of root x. Root x the derivative is, so 1 by 1 by 2 root x. So that is 2 root x. 2 root x the derivative. 2 root x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so that is equal to 1 by 2 root x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by root x. 1 by root x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, integration of 1 by root x the derivative, 1 by root x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 2 root x, 2 root x plus c. So next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ, 21. So 21 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, derivative of e raised to ax is equal to a into a ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ. ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e raised to ax. e raised to ax divided by a the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e raised to x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದು. So that is integration of e raised to ax into dx is equal to e raised to ax divided by a. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ a ಐತ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is the difference. Next we come to that is the 22 derivative of so sin ax the derivative ಏನ್ರಿ, so that is a divided by a, that is equal to cos ax ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos ax. ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos ax into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is equal to 1 by a, so that is 1 by a sin ax plus c sin a. Next 23ನೇದು derivative of, so that is minus cos ax divided by a is equal to sin ax. Then it means that integration of sin ax is equal to minus cos ax divided by a plus c cos ax divided by a plus c. So that is about the 23. Next ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಗ, ಹಾಂ so next we come to 24th ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, derivative of tan ax divided by a is equal to second square ax already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Integration of second square ax into dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan ax divided by a plus c. Then 25th derivative of, that is minus cot ax divided by a is equal to, so minus cot ax divided by a is equal to cosec square ax. Then integration of cosec square ax into dx is equal to minus cot ax divided by a plus c. Next 26, that is 26. Next derivative of sec ax divided by a is equal to, sec ax the derivative into tan ax into dx is equal to sec ax divided by. So next we come to the 27. So remaining you have to take this 27, very important. I will take that derivative of sine inverse x. Sine inverse x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by root 1 minus x square. ಅಂದ್ರೆ integration of 1 by root 1 minus x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ into dx, that is the sine inverse x plus c. Next 28, derivative of cos inverse x is equal to अथवा minus cos inverse, that is cos inverse x is minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So integration of minus 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ cos inverse x plus c, cos inverse x plus c, that is 29. 29 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ derivative of tan inverse x. tan inverse x the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1 plus x square. So that is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. So next we come to that is the cot inverse. So then 30, derivative of, so that is the cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So it means that integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to cot inverse x plus c. Next 31st, derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root x square minus 1. So integration of 1 by x into root x square minus 1 into dx is equal to, that is the sec inverse x plus c. Next 32 is equal to derivative of cosec inverse x is equal to, so that is minus 1 by x into root x square minus 1 is equal to integration of, so minus 1 by x into root x square minus 1 into dx is equal to, that is cosec inverse x plus c. So this is about the inverse trigonometry function which we have already. So we know about the derivatives of the inverse trigonometry function and we have find out their integration also when we are getting the integration of this. So this is about the all the formulas which we required for the integration. Nodri ee kadigu derivative, ಈ ಕಡಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಸದ್ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 1 plus x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೋರಿ ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ x. ಇವು ಏನು 32 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ಸಿನಲ್ರಿ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ be prepared for this all the formulas. So it completes this.